Hi embracers, welcome to Tappy Nice, let me do my intro. Your face blur out. Hi embracers, welcome to today's video. It is time to say bye bye to the boys, and every time I think about it, we get a little teary eyed. But it's back to school time, and if you don't know, my name is Bevony. If you're new here, hello, hi, welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Please subscribe and become an embracer today. Yes, so I have 3 boys, and the 2 older ones, we co-parent, so they are with their dad full-time. I've had them for the most part since they were 4 and 2 or 5 and 3, something like that. So they're 2 years apart. So I've had them for the most part. So when the eldest finished primary school, then they went off to stay with their dad permanently. So it's now the other way around. So he has them and then they visit me. So yeah, so now they were here for the summer break, and now they're going back to daddy because it's around back to school time. Some schools have already had their orientations and whatnot. My oldest is going into 8th grade, and the younger one is going into 6th grade. So yep, but before I put them on the bus, I have some errands to run. So I'm going to the insurance company first of all. No lie, I pay my mortgage first of all, then I'm going to the insurance company. Then I'm going to Flow, go pay my bill them, and also to get SIM cards. I need a replacement SIM card for Antonio, and I need a SIM card for Aiden. And then I'm gonna see if I can find school shoes. Shoe boat, sir, go on out, sir. And I wait on the road, the 4-lane and 5-lane of traffic for clear before I'm going on the road. The stoplights aren't working. Alright, so enough chatting. Make you another rundown of what I do today. Alright, let's go. Nobody can find it. Yep, it's just taking.
Here, you can pick up the documents downstairs.
Alright, thanks. So, I don't see them something here. I have 2 wings, and the 2 of them are 2 different something. Anyhow, so I finished in the insurance place. So last night I went online to renew my policy, and I got all the way to the payment page, and when I made the payment, then I got an error saying that they couldn't create a receipt. So, and it expired from yesterday or the day before. So, you know, I was driving around without my documents this morning, but it's not my fault. But I had taken a picture of it to show them. But by the time I got inside, the charge had come off of the card, so I just did it in there. I was using their system at first, and it was not going through, so I ended up using my phone and then selecting the option to pay at the cashier, so that there wouldn't be, because we were getting error messages with their system. I was getting error messages using their computer, and then I ended up going on my phone. So just to be safe, when I went on my phone, I didn't bother to try and pay with the credit card. I just chose pay at cashier, and then them sort out everything. And they emailed me the documents right away, but then I waited for them to give me a printout so I have the hard copy in the car. Alright, so now we are going into Flu. Hopefully in there no pack up. The good thing is that it's overcast and it's cool, so the kids have not come out of the car. They can't bother with me. Coming out of the car, but them staying here and they're not hot because of how outside looks. So I'm going to go in Flow, pay the bills, get the SIM cards, and then it is, what time is it? It is 11:43. Go buy them patty for their lunch. I'm gonna go through my to-do list. It's nice.
What am I supposed to do? Them up saying blah 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 blah. So you scan the barcode and I may not have that account number, phone number.
Okay, I just got this phone and the SIM card, I want to switch over for this one. They had cut the SIM card.
Me too. Give me the phone then.
Okay.
My long receipt. I paid my cell phone bill, my home phone bill, and I got the SIM card. So, thank you. Turn on the camera, get little bees. Close the door.
Budding mother.
Close the door.
The phone's on.
You can turn the fan them towards you.
Yes.
So we gonna put SIM. I don't know if that phone here charging or but we can't charge it in here. Like this battery, I don't like it as well, so
Yeah,
the same
those-
problem we have with the other one that's like this. So let me say this one is Antonio. What kind of SIM card this is? I can't show. Hold on. Okay. Which one is one? Which one is two? Oh, this one is one. So I can dash with this. Put all of this in here, so now. SIM one, yep. You getting copies?
This one.
Okay. This is this one charge. Make it carry some, so. Like it man did. This one charge it then. So. It now come on none at all.
Oh, maybe it's just a battery.
So, but me never think about for charge it before. Oh, I didn't have to take the battery out, did I? Yep. Didn't have to take the battery out. Oh, this one's supposed to do what is SIM card for that. Oh my god. So it's the SIM card goes on the bottom and the micro SD goes on the top. Yeah, that looks like it. So I did have to take out the battery. Let's snap that on. So Antonia, this is the same number that you had before. Alright, we're going into, this is a Galaxy J3. We're going into Payless to see if I find shoes. choose, as you saw, the whole SIM card situation now. The SIM card them now work. Well, one of them, it has it look like it's a digital phone. And then the other one, for whatever reason, it keeps turning off. It says it's fully charged, but it keeps turning off. So
It's the swollen battery.
oh yeah, the battery is swollen. So I don't even understand why the battery is swollen, because it's not like I was using the phone.
Well, batteries can swell if you leave it on like doing something.
Like if you
Like
leave it
it
on
is
while you're
hot,
charging it.
No, like when you put it beside something that's producing hot air. Like one time I left my phone beside.
Or maybe like if I left it in your car.
Yeah.
I may have left it in the car. I was watching Petite Sue, and in that episode Shami was eating one of these, and she said, oh, it tastes nice, so I thought I'd get it. It tastes like Easter bun. All them people that come stop in front of me, them couldn't find somebody that stop in front of, and then there's somebody that stopped in front of them, so it don't even make no sense. Me blow my hand. That man that just walked across there, so and both of them just stop in front of me.
Two heights, two people.
I don't think it's spectacular, but it's alright. So we went in, so we get shoes. We're going into Juice Beef, but the line was too long. So we went into the supermarket and got stuff. This one showing is candy. We have some gummy candy around there. Hearts and worms and whatever. Want to show the bag? Galaxy mix it name. We ate out the hearts. Well, I ate one heart. I guess them eat out that. So it's a worm left in there.
I get a little less hard.
I ate two.
So I buy one banana and cheese. I don't eat nothing from mine.
You said
Cassava chips. And this. Guys, this.
That's caffeine.
When I used to go to Kingston every month, I always have these. Them give me the energy without the crash. And they suppress my appetite, to be honest. Alright, this gentleman coming out. If you come out, we can come out. You can back up on time. Alright, so now we're going to Subway to get them dinner to take with them on the bus.
What time is it now?
It is now 1:34. Bus leaves at 4:30. So we have to be there. Now come out, miss. I tell him to come out, please. This lady just come park up in the parking space. She just make me come out. Alright, then move. Thanks. Alright, let me say where they go? Subway. So they'll have dinner on the bus. So this is lunch. And then Subway will be their dinner. Because they're in for an approximate drive time of 4 hours. Come. Alright, we will, when we reach, we try to figure out the bags. Alright, we're going into Fontana now, guys.
Yay!
So it's what? Bottle cap.
That's what I came in here for, and I found it. 12.30 close to. Why the price tier for some of them? Just change the price. I mean, some of them have $900 and something upon them. See this one, the price tier off of it. I don't see any of the tea tree oil with that price. I hope it's good tea tree oil. Alright, guys, let's go. To Aiden. This is the traffic. This is the traffic. Cannot drive anymore. On our way to the bus now. It is 2:48 p.m. I'll pick up my something them. I should have gotten these before, but hey, it's book vouchers to buy what is this? Oh, this book vouchers that I can use at a particular I'm supposed to use at a particular bookstore, but as I said, I just get them, so I'm gonna buy the books and send them up after the fact. We were in traffic to get to this stop. There was traffic. Oh, I didn't do one clip of the traffic, so I don't think after I pass here, so there shouldn't be any traffic. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get there early, and then I'm going to rearrange their stuff because now they have food and shoes. I'm gonna try and stuff the shoes into their backpacks. Not stuff, but I'm going to try to see if it will fit, and then I'll put them in there so that they only have the food in their hand. So one person will have the Subway bag and the other person will have the bag with the snacks and whatnot. So next stop, Knutsford. Alright, so we reach. We're gonna try and sort out the bag situation. Please to drink off this. I don't know where that's at. Okay, Antonia. First of all, your tablet is not in the sleeve where it's supposed to be. Your shoes can definitely hold. I'm not sure of the shoes then. Antonio, oh, these are comfortable, Antonio. These cushy things around here. They're nice. He has these cushy things right here. Anyhow, this is him shoes them because I'm foot too big and them never have no shoes. Like these are the only size 10 shoes that looked nice. Can you imagine? Because I don't know, apparently people who wear size 10 are so old people shoes them up over there. Do you have anything else that can go in the bag?
Ridges.
Huh?
Ridges.
You don't need to put the ridges in there. Do you have a juice? Where's your cup? It's empty?
Yep. I'm gonna put my juice in there. Yeah, I finished that.
Oh gosh.
Where did my juice go?
I put it in your bag. Why this open Antonia? It's the only one last things. Alright, give me your food where you want to put in your bag. And then you want yours to go and keep in your bag? We went into Funfun and never tell me. And they were having buy one get one free in this. Focus. Yes, I bought it. We're going to get a complimentary bottle of water on the bus. Where's the bun? Having bun. Anything else?
On these?
You're gonna put on your sweater or you're gonna just keep it on you? Alright, so Antonia, your bag is packed. Hold it. Jesus Christ.
Wait, let me get my bag.
Oh, here and here. They had this and buy one get one. No, they don't have it on buy one get one free. They had it 50% off, so same thing. By I bought 2. So at 50% off, it's basically buy one get one free, right?
Yes.
Put that in the top of your bag. Oh my God, your bag says every time you have 50 million countrymen. Him finish for him. Oh my God. So the little one's bag. Why is this open?
Chips.
Antonia, sure it's not chips or drop off in your bag that? And again, the tablet is not in the section of the bag that it should
what?
be. You don't
It
pay
fell.
attention.
It probably fell out.
That's why you must always have your bag standing up on the bottom and not have a style to just pin them down. You put everything, the mouse, the laptop, the tablet and everything. So I'm gonna put the shoes on the top. Let me put them side to side like so. Keep the zippers at the top. Bun, ruffles, and the same blueberry Velveeta. It's mashed up. I never even opened this. You really just said that make it people on YouTube here?
What?
And Aiden had gotten a focus. This, what is it saying? Orange. Can't read it. Orange aid fruit juice cocktail. This is what Aiden got to drink. Him finish him other something. So that's it. I got rid of one bag. Yo, Aiden, your bag heavy bag.
Yay!
Some having drinks. And then on the other side is empty. So when they get the water, them can put it in here. So who go carry the food?
Me. I will definitely not steal the Aiden sandwich.
Wait, what? My son.
Did I mention that we are an hour and a half early? It was like 3 o'clock when I started to record this. So we're gonna just shit and shit. We're going to just sit and chill for a minute. Let's see if we can take pictures before we go. We're going to do that. We're in the line. We have to join the line today because we don't have no baby. Baby gives you free pass to the front of the line. Tick, tick, tick.
the good bag, yeah. That's so far in the middle. What? Oh, TV. Alright, so you're gonna put the bag on the floor?
It's already full.
Push it over so that nobody don't step on the strap. And so now put on yours. Set it like how Aiden has his. Oh. Nah, fit. Alright. Turn the back of the bag to there. So.
What about the... Oh, wait.
And so on your should be able to get it down.
Yeah, but I don't think it's...
Fix your foot. Fix your foot. You're comfortable like that?
No.
How are you?
This part of it.
So put the foot over there. So I don't want the bag out in the way. See this? Not make nobody step on it. All right.
I'm all alone in the car. So their bus left like 4 minutes over the time. So they were supposed to leave at 4:30 and then drove out at like 4:34. And there was no traffic on the road from the airport to right here, and the stoplight here isn't working. So I think there's, well, not, when I was passing there was no police out here, but it seems that there's one out here directing traffic now. So yeah, there's one, there's two. Yeah, so now it's to pick up baby K and adolescent K, and then we are going home. And we started the day with 4 boys and we're ending the day with 2. It's a approximate 4-hour drive time because of the amount of stops that they do. So the boys are gonna be on the road until at least 8:30 before, maybe not, let me not say at least, because they might get there before. It just depends on if they actually have. The bus never seemed too full to me. It was pretty empty. I think there were like 6 people on the bus before the kids went on. So, and they didn't have a full bus. Even what I saw going on was not a full bus. When I bought the tickets, they said they had 12 seats left. Missed the old seat panned at the bus there. So there was probably space on the 2:30 bus too, but who knows? I don't know. That traffic light up there so wasn't working, but this one here is working. And I think when I came across this one earlier, it wasn't working, but the one out at Fairview was working. But the one them out what there's a name at Bogue and at Reading weren't working. Strange. I don't remember what I just said a while ago. Their dad called me, so I got cut off. But anyhow, oh, police there, this is a stoplight, even though it's at work. Oh, them trying to make sure that no traffic don't build up. That's nice. I like that. I like seeing them out and working. Yeah, so I said I was gonna pick up baby K and adolescent K, and then we're going home. So it's just me and baby K in here because adolescent K asked to stay with his grandma until tomorrow. You're around there answering. Yes. Big brother staying with Nana? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, so it's just me and baby K, and we are now on our way home officially, and my battery hasn't died yet. So I think it's like at 16% now. So it is now 5:08 p.m. So yeah, you spent, when did I start the vlog? I probably started the vlog after 10 in the morning, I believe. Yeah, so you spent a good couple hours with me, and I appreciate that so much. So thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll see you right here in another video soon. Bye bye. It is 5:39 and I'm home. I'm almost 7 minutes close the vlog. I already officially closed the vlog twice, but I want to just show on all my response. Look for my gas tank. Look at it. This is all my drive come home. Okay, it's official now, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.